December corn pushing back above the $4 mark on Friday, and soybeans saw some success at the end of the week as well. Agne's Michelle Rook has more on if that trend can continue this week in Markets Now.
Grain and livestock futures all higher on Friday. Mark Schultz is in with analysis. Mark, we ended the week with corn to the plus side above the $4 mark on the December contract. Can we keep going? Have we digested all the bearish news in the market?
Well, we certainly were dealt a lot of bearish news with finding 2.1 million more acres of corn and taking the yield up to 188 bushel per acre. The way the market traded, opening lower and then coming back and finishing unchanged to higher for the week is pretty impressive, and probably gives you at least short-term indication that we may have put the low in on the corn market.
So the soybean market kind of led the gains, though, with the bullish infusion from the WASDE report. Where do we need to go technically to continue to build on this market? Can we build on it?
Well, I thought the beans were pretty impressive as well. Up sharply for the week. We went up to 6-week highs. That's good in this 1040, 1042 area. I'd say you got to get above this 1050 area. If you clear that, then it's going to have the major resistance, and that has been $10.80 a bushel. So those would be the levels that you got to watch. That's a pretty good move on up, probably maybe a little overdone, but we'll see. We're still a ways away before the combines start to roll on the beans.
As we start a new week, we're going to be watching now whether we can keep this rally going because of what comes out of the crop tours, right?
Well, I suspect that the crop tours are going to show a very good looking corn and soybean crop. I think on the beans, you're going to start seeing a pretty sizable pod count. You're likely to see some health issues popping up on the beans, disease issues. So that's maybe one thing to watch there.
Nice close in the cattle on Friday. Can we continue to build on that, go back up and retest the highs or not?
Yeah, the numbers are still tight. We're 6.8% less cattle being slaughtered. I don't see anything changing that yet. You still have the cash trading at a premium to the futures market. As long as that's the case, odds favor futures will get pulled sideways to higher.
All right, thanks so much, Mark Schultz, North Star Commodity, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.